Investment acumen, daily insights, not a penny to spend, just few seconds to spare. Good day to everyone. Welcome to Guyuman Daily. I'm not sure how many friends have noticed that the sudden surge of renminbi in past 2 days. Today we'll discuss it with everyone. As of July 25th, the offshore RMB exchange rate against the US dollar CNH was 7.2306, which was a significant increase of 23 basis points compared to the previous trading day. And at one point during the trading session, it reaches its highest point since mid-May at 2.2020. The maximum intraday increase for RMB both domestically and internationally exceeded 600 basis points. Next, we will analyze the reasons for everyone, but more importantly, we will share our views on this because we think the unusual movements are manifestations of divergence. And the divergence is the starting point for the next opportunity. We believe that the surge of renminbi may be influenced by 3 factors. Firstly, the recent decisions by our central bank to lower interest rates has prompted the offshore financial institutions to be optimistic about future economic growth, resulting in increased positions in RMB. This is attributed to the offshore RMB exchange rate surpassing the onshore rate for the first time, signifying that the offshore investors' bullish sentiment on renminbi has exceeded that of domestic investors. Secondly, the RMB has influenced by the catch-up effect of Japanese yen's significant appreciation. On July 31st, the Bank of Japan has a monetary policy meeting where they might discuss the possibility of rising interest rates. Following the release of this news, the US dollar depreciated, while the yen appreciated, and RMB, also being low-yield currency, was similarly driven to appreciate. The RMB's rise may also be driven by the expectations of a more aggressive rate cut from the Federal Reserve. Especially with the upcoming FOMC meeting and recent signals pointing towards a more dovish monetary policy stance. This could lead to investors reallocating away from the US dollars to more attractive assets. In the following discussion, we will focus on sharing our perspectives with you. Firstly, we focus on foreign exchange rates as they are instrumental in facilitating macroeconomic analysis. Our aim is to share insights that can offer a broader spectrum of viewpoints for a more comprehensive understanding of issues at hand. We will perform a comprehensive analysis between the CNH and the performance of CSI 300 index. The red line indicates the exchange rate of offshore RMB, which reflects the amount of RMB $1 can be exchanged for. An upward trend in the red line suggests that the RMB has depreciated, as $1 can now obtain more RMB. Conversely, a downward trend in the red line indicates that the RMB has appreciated. The purple line illustrates the movement of CSI 300 index, representing the ups and downs of the Asian market. Upon reviewing the trend from 2020 to present, we can observe an inverse relationship between the two. When the red line rises, indicating a depreciation of RMB, the CS 300 index trends to decline. Conversely, when the red line falls, indicating an appreciation of renminbi, the CSI 300 index trends to rise. The appreciation of RMB suggests an inflection of foreign capital, as investors purchase RMB to invest in the secondary market, thereby injecting additional funds that can drive up the stock market. Conversely, when these investors liquidate their positions and exchange RMB back to US dollar, it can lead to a decrease in stock market. This dynamic reflects the concept that capital is constantly seeking opportunities and will naturally flow to markets that offer better returns. As the old saying goes, the duck knows first when the spring reverse warms. The investment market is akin to a pool of water, with capital being the flowing stream. The exchange rate acts like ducks floating in the global market, sensing the direction of the current first. The more investment expertise we accumulate, the more gaps will filled in our investment landscape. Follow me and let's grow our mind daily.